Hello, everybody. My name is Eddie with Uniform Bright, and if you're here today looking, doing research on uniform rental prices or uniform rental pricing, well, then you're in the right place. So you've probably seen some videos out there when they're talking about what you can normally expect if you're going to get this type of material or if you're going to get that type of material, et cetera, et cetera. And generally, those are going to be true, right? I listen to some of those videos, but here, what you don't understand is this. What they're not going to tell you is that when you sign that contract, you're giving them the authorization to increase the prices whenever they feel like it. And so that's a good reason to contact me in the first place. And so, yes, they might give you some introductory pricing, and it might be within those ranges. It might even be far below those ranges. And you're going to be thinking to yourself, wow, what a deal I got. Man, I stole on these guys. And then when you get the price increase, then you'll understand what actually happened. It was what we call a bait and switch. But you know what? The law considers you, a business owner, to be savvy. You fall under the Uniform Commercial Code. You don't fall under the Consumer Code, and you don't have as many rights as a typical consumer does, because the law considers you to be someone savvy, somebody who should have known better. So anyways, don't expect that uniform rental pricing or those prices to last there very long. So if you are looking to negotiate a contract and you want to get the best possible pricing and you want to make sure that they don't increase the prices on you, call me. I can get you that. My services pay for them thousands and thousands of dollars over. So don't try to do this on your own. Trust me, I've been doing this for 20 years. I'm making a business out of it. So that ought to tell you something. And again, my name is Eddie. If you're having any type of a complaint, a problem with any type of uniform rental company, whether they're in Mexico, United States, or Canada, call me. I am the only person that helps you in all of North America. Anyways, like, subscribe, and send it to your friends so they can you can help them out. Okay, guys? Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.